Mr. Digital Agency free tutorial platform. Today I'm going to walk you through in detail how you can create and launch your GMC. GMC is Google Merchant Center. So if you have been struggling to list your product online so that people to integrate your online shop so that people will visit your online shop through Google search results, this tutorial is best for you. If you have been looking for a way, maybe when you Google or search other people's results, you see people listing their product, you see some product popping up with the price, the image, this class is for you. Or if you are a digital advertiser trying to learn more how you will integrate your product and list your product in your merchant center and linking it to Google Ad Advertising, this tutorial is for you. In our earlier tutorial, we talk about how you can scale or grow your e-commerce through Google Ads. You can see the link popping up here. You can click on the link and watch our previous tutorial so that you know all the prerequisites you need to have while you are looking to scale or advertise your e-commerce platform through Google Advertising. One of the prerequisites is that you will owe a Google Merchant account. And of course, before you owe Google Merchant account, you must have had your business or e-commerce platform or website launched. So now, let me take you on a search exploration. If you look at here, you discover that I have searched plus size women clothing NY, which is New York, and here are results. Take a look at this product. This product card sponsored. This sponsored means that somebody has actually placed this advert. And one thing that is unique about this advert is that it has the image being advertised, it has description, it has the price, it has the shopping brand, the name of the company that is advertising. Take a look at this one. If you look at this one is ad by Shop Blizzard. And if you look at, let me check. If you look at these other ones, you will discover that this one is from Temu. Temu plus size elegant. So if you are looking forward to publish your ads or to publish your business website to show on Google like this why people are searching, this tutorial is what you need to know how you can import your online business inventory into Google Ad Business Inventory. Google Merchant Center is Google Ad online inventory where advertisers, shop owners, e-commerce platform will import their product so that it will enable them to advertise and list their products so that when people are searching, they will discover your business. Now take a look at this. This is an example of e-commerce platform. This e-commerce platform is corporategowns.com, and if you scroll down here, you will discover that the product here you see the list luxury Turkish long gown for women, pattern green Turkey gown for all women. You see the price is listed and you see all this. So this is the website, the e-commerce platform for this. Now, how do you direct people to this website so that when they search, they will see your product listed? Just like here, if I click on any of this, it will take me to their home product, the product page where you can now make a selection. So that is why this tutorial is very important. And for you to do this, you need to have or create your Merchant Center account. When you create your Merchant Center account, you will import all these products inside your Merchant Center account. So let's get started by the question is now, how do I create a Merchant Center account? For you to create Merchant Center account, the first thing you need to do is that you have to have your Gmail, that is Google email, your normal user Google email like mosadtdc@gmail.com or whatever that is your Google ID. You have it. If you have it, you see this is Gmail. Now On this right hand side, you see this dot dot dot. These dots reflect or represent Google inbuilt applications. So, and the Matcha Center is one of the Google inbuilt applications. So I will click here. If I click here, it will take me to this. I have to scroll down to here. Good. This is Matcha Center. So I will click Matcha Center. Now, don't forget that this is Musa Digital JC Free Tutorial. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Because if you subscribe, you will get a notification whenever we release a tutorial that is of interest to you. For example, we are currently delivering a series of tutorials. This is the second leg of our tutorial on how you can publish your e-commerce platform on Google Ads and how you can scale your e-commerce and sell products that you want to sell online through Google. So that is the series of tutorial we are rendering. So by subscribing, that will help you. Also, if you have a question regarding any of this tutorial series, drop it on the comment box and we will quickly attend to you. So now look at, so while we click on the app and it takes us here, you will see we are sorry, unfortunately your current account does not have access to any Matcha Center account. Now that means that you do not owe any Matcha Center account, and that is why this tutorial is important. So what you need to do is you click sign up. So I click sign up. So it will now take me to this place. Tell Google about your business, where you tell Google about your business, like do you sell products online? Of course, the answer is yes, because the reason why this tutorial is because we owe an online business that we are selling, just like I mentioned in this place. This is an online uh, shop. So the next thing you have to do is your shop's website. So I'm going to copy this website and I'll come to this step and I'll click. So I'm going to select, do you have a physical shop? I'll select no. Then I'm going to click continue. So when I click continue, it will take me, you see, show your product on Google for free. Now I want to mention that Google Matcha Center help you to list your product for free and also help you to list it on a sponsored ad. So inside Matcha Center, we'll have what we call free listing, where you list this product and why people are searching and they come across content or product that is similar to what you are selling, your ad will pop up. Now, apart from that, the you have the opportunity to place a sponsored ad to optimize your ads in Google Ads so that when people are searching, it will come as a sponsored ad, just like this one that you see here. This is sponsored. All these things are sponsored so that when people are searching for plus size, you can see all of them will come up as a product because of the keyword the person has keyed in. So that is why this tutorial is important. So I will click here, I will scroll down, and say continue. So to continue, what I'm going to do now is you say enter your business name. So the name of this business, as I said, look at here, is corporate gown. That is the one I want to import. So I'll put corporate gown. Of course, the business is domiciled in Nigeria. If your business is domiciled out in any country, here you select Nigeria, you select any of the countries that your business is registered. Don't forget that Google will require some document verification. You have to verify your business. So selecting the appropriate country where your business is registered is very important, because at a certain stage, Google will require you to verify your business, like your phone number and the rest of them. So I'm going to click continue. So if you look at this stage, uh, it said verify that it's you to continue. If you don't see the security goggles sign in window pop up, Now, this thing I want to explain that this verification that we are talking about here is not the verification on your matcha center. This verification is to verify the Gmail that you are using. You want to tell Google actually that the email that you are using for this account is actually your own. So that is the essence of this verification. So now you must use the email that you have access to. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click continue. So I click continue. So if I click continue, it will take me to an interface where I have to verify uh, my uh, uh, credentials. And to do this, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select other ways of verification. Now I'm going to select get verification code. So now I'm going to select the country. I'm going to select the country where I want to verify my number. I'm going to select Nigeria. Nigeria. Select Nigeria, of course. Okay. Select this. Then you put the the number that you want to use. So you you click send. Then this must be the number that you have access. So with that, you input the phone number, the code that Google will send to you. So here I will input the code as 0451105. Then I'll say next. So this is to verify that you owe the Gmail that you are using to set up this. So there are many verification purposes. You can verify it through your phone number. You can verify through a prompt on your phone. You can verify through any step like copying of code. So the issue is this verification authentication is depend on the authentication you have set up while you created your Gmail. So here it is. We have set up our Gmail account, Matcha Center account. So you can see product, delivery and return, business information, shopping qualities, and the rest of them. So this is where we are going to end this tutorial. Remember that this is all about creating and launching your Matcha Center account. We have created this Matcha Center account, corporate gowns, and this is the Matcha Center ID. In subsequent tutorial, we'll talk about much about this Matcha Center ID. So this is all. In the next tutorial, we are going to talk about products, how to list the product. The products are these product that we are selling, how to list it and import them and make them to appear inside the product. This thing. Like for example, if I click here, it will tell me that there is no any product because we have not listed any product, like no product added yet. Just as I mentioned, this is Mosa DJDC free tutorial platform. Try to subscribe to our page so that you get notification regarding the series of tutorial we are delivering. In the next tutorial, we are going to teach you in detail how you will start by listing your products, business information, how to list the key in your business information, verifying your website, linking your website to Matcha Center. And at a certain stage, we will also talk about how you can link your Google ad advertising to this Matcha Center. Thank you